And finally, after a few months, we were able to create an automatic system that allows you to design any elevator system very easily and in the shortest possible time, without the need for knowledge and just by specifying these dimensions. By watching this video, you will see how all the parts are designed and assembled in 1 minute. Here we can specify the length, width, and even height of the elevator car, as well as the distance between the rails and the scaling of all parts in full detail according to our desired drawing. By preparing this project, you no longer need to design and additional costs. We will assure you that there are no problems with the system and that all parts have been produced and tested in the same way. You can watch the actual construction videos in the short videos of this channel. By selecting these options, you can specify the type of door and even the type of elevator system. You can see that there is no need to enter dimensions, and you can even reapply your orders at any time by referring to the previous window. We also considered that if the area of the cabin is small, fewer sheets would be used. We will make this cabin smaller so that you can understand. Did you notice what happened? Because we hadn't specified the center of the cabin, you now understand that any elevator plan is feasible. After entering the dimensions, just allow the system a few moments to arrange the parts. I forgot to say that no matter how much we change the dimensions, there will be no problem in drilling. To get this project, just send a message to the following WhatsApp number: +9891257043772.